my channel. My name is Riddhi and here I am to make makeup videos, entertain you. So let's start with the first one. As my skin is not suitable for moisturizers or something, I will start with my primer. The Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer for oily skin. So I have the Fit Me foundation, the Maybelline one, as I am a beginner. I took the small one and I want to see if it suits me, like the color, the shade or something. But it is okay and not okay, as it's a little lighter. I want the darker one, and that's not available. I'll get that soon. Okay, so let's start with it. And yep, I'll go with my sponge. If you need, you can just make your sponge a little wet or soggy. If you want it not soggy, like quite pumps of water, I will do. But I won't use the only sponge. I will have to little spray some water. Okay, so now let's pump little bit of water on it, and this is a cute bottle for Miniso. Just a little bit if you want, or if you don't want. I want because I can't, like, it's not happening to me. And you can brush, you can just blend it with your brush also, but I prefer sponge. And most important, don't forget to like, comment, share my video. As I'm a new one, please support. I will entertain you with videos every alternates. Yeah. So here my blending game is done. I know it's not that good, but then too I tried. Having pimples on my cheeks. So after my foundation, I'm done here with the concealer. It's the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Stream and Concealer. It's in the shade. It's in the shade 122 Sand. Yes, that's the correct one. You don't know. So if no, I'll put. But all the details of my products will be in my description. So do you? If you need, check it. And if you have a dark circles like me, so much, so use your concealer. After the concealer, we will go for the baking session, the face baking session. So it's not. We will go with the loose powder, the Fit Me loose powder, the Maybelline one, and the shade 25 medium. Because dusky skin. What can I do? And if you are watching my video, thank you for that. Thank you for your love and support. If you love my video, thank you for that too. And if someone doesn't know the why loose powder is used, it's used to just set the concealer and stuff. Fan bump to know. I don't know why. When girls apply makeup, they look just funny when they are applying, and after that, they look pretty. Wow. Okay, so after that we'll go for the eyeshadow palette. It's the Lemony Grace Maybelline New York palette again because Maybelline is love. So today I will go in the shade. I'm thinking to go in the shade the Ice Pop. This one, the pinkish Ice Pop, and if you are a makeup artist and you're using any palette which are matte in color, please comment below the name because I want matte palettes. I just love matte eyeshadows and wow, this is wow. And if you think my eyeshadow game is not that strong, true that it's not. अरे यार बिगनर हूँ, हो जाएगा. Okay, so here's my eyeshadow done with a mixture of Ice Pop and the Berry Eyes. So this is the Ice Pop and this is the Berry Eyes. You can see properly. Oh shit. This is the Ice Pop and this is the this is the Ice Pop and this is the Berry Eyes. So here my face without a baking powder. Now it's time for blush. I don't have the powder blush, I use a blush stick. It's the Swiss Beauty blusher stick and it's in the shade 04. I would forever prefer the powdered blush because it is not that good. It's a disaster by spreading it. Just imagine who spreads blush with a beauty blender. Me. Why? I just love pink cheeks. And here the the highlighter is from the again it's from Maybelline, the Master Chrome highlighter. And it's the shade Molten Gold 100. I'm not good at applying highlighter, man. I don't know why. I just apply very bad. And if you love my makeup, please like, share, comment, subscribe. No, the look is not finished. Wait, right? Okay, it's not done yet. After my highlighter, we will go to the lipstick pad, one of my favorite ones. So I am a girl who always applies red lipstick. It is whatever it is. I'm going on a date. Oh, I never went. I'm going with my friend, movie, lunch, dinner, whatever. Red lipstick is my go-to thing on any outfit, and red is an evergreen color, man. Okay, so here I have. Here is my red lipstick, the Rich Ruby. I even have a smoking red, but I don't know where it is. I can find it right now. Oh, here it is. Sorry. So I have smoking red color. I couldn't finish, but so if you have chapped lips, do apply a moisturizer before applying it, as I will, because my lips have just not cooperating. First, remove foundation and concealer on your lips. That's a disaster. My smoking red Maybelline lipstick in the shade 10. Okay, the lipstick is done. The eyeliner for this Lakme's eyeliner is the best. Okay, so my eyeliner done. Wow. I needed the remaining thing is the mascara, and I have my mascara is the Maybelline Hyper Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Maybelline, oh my god. Okay, so my look is complete. I don't use a setting spray, as in I have not got it yet. I have to buy it, and I'm thinking which one to buy. I can't do anything. I'm sorry for that. So here my look. Oh wait, my look is not complete yet. This I won't wear anywhere out. It's a boyfriend t-shirt. I won't wear it at my party or a movie or something. I will, but it's a home night suit t-shirt. So let's go and change and let's go. Okay, so here comes the final look, the final me. After doing the makeup. So if you think the makeup is too gaudy or something, then just leave the lower lid part and the highlighter on here. If you want, you can apply highlighter here. Just if you want a glowy cheeks with more blush, then yeah, it's good to go. And if you don't want red lipstick, go with the brown one. I thought for the brown one, but first look, my red color thing, how can I can't use that. So I just used the red one because red is one of the lipsticks though, and that highlighter. Okay, so if you loved my vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to put any ideas, any suggestion in the comment box. So just keep supporting. It's my first video. Just share as much as you can and share with your friends, those who are beginners and those who are trying to do the beginners makeup video. I swear I am a beginner, and you know, with my makeup skills you can just make it out. I'm just a beginner. So if your friend wants, if your girlfriend, friend, sister, whoever wants to see a beginner's video, just share it with those people, those who actually want to see a beginner's video. That's good for them, for me too. So don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe. Love from me.